Money feels like freedom. It promises security, opportunity, power. You work for it. You save it. You plan your future around it. But what if the currency you trust the most, the US dollar, was never really designed for you? What if it was designed for control? Not control in an obvious way, not through force, but through systems, through debt, through quiet influence. And what if the most powerful people in the world understood something most of us never question? That whoever controls money controls reality. Let's go back to the beginning. During the Revolutionary War, America printed continental dollars to fund independence. At first, it seemed like a solution. But soon, inflation destroyed their value. The phrase "not worth a continental" became common. The lesson was clear. Printing money without restraint leads to collapse. But here's what history quietly shows us. Collapse can also be used as opportunity. When currencies fail, power shifts. Fast forward to 1913. The Federal Reserve is created. It is presented as a stabilizing force, a guardian of the economy, but it is structured as a central banking system with private member banks at its core. This means control over money supply is no longer purely governmental. It becomes centralized in a small financial network. Now think about that. If you can control how much money exists, you control interest rates, you control inflation, you control credit. Credit controls everything: homes, businesses, education, governments. After World War I, Europe was financially devastated. The United States emerged stronger.